In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an AliExpress item and get a refund. If an order arrived damaged, not as described, or it's the wrong item, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to start a return, provide the right evidence, and track your money back. Keep an eye on your buyer protection countdown as we go. Your request must be opened before it expires. Begin by opening the AliExpress app or website and signing in to your account. Head to your account area and open My Orders. Find the order with the issue, then tap View Details so you're on the page for that specific purchase. It helps to note the order ID and take a quick screenshot of the item listing in case you need it later. On the order page, choose Return, Refund. Make sure your buyer protection is still active. If the timer is close to expiring, submit your request right away so it's logged in time. When the system asks whether you want to return the item, select Yes, then choose Return and Refund. This is important. Picking the wrong option can limit or block the refund route, so confirm you're selecting Return and Refund. Next, select the most accurate reason for the return, such as item damaged, not as described, wrong item sent, or quality problems. Upload clear photos and, if possible, a short video that shows the issue in good lighting and from multiple angles. Include the packaging if it's relevant. Screenshots can help too. Strong, specific evidence dramatically increases the approval rate, so make it easy for reviewers to see what's wrong. Review everything for accuracy and tap Submit. Your request is now active. Typically, the seller or AliExpress will review it within 3 to 5 days. You may see one of several outcomes: return approved, a partial refund offer, or a rejection. You can accept or reject any offer. Read the terms carefully before responding. If your return is approved, you'll receive the return address and instructions along with a deadline and details about who pays for shipping. Follow those instructions exactly, as some sellers specify the service or label format they'll accept. When you ship the item, pack it securely, use a tracked shipping service, send it within the stated deadline, and keep your receipt. Without tracking, there's a high risk of losing the refund. After shipping, go back to your dispute page and enter the tracking number. Upload proof of shipment, such as a photo of the